Well, hello guys, this is Virat Mazha, and in today, I will tell you how to first of all do meditation for 5 seconds because this is gonna to be helpful for your future if you are preparing for the UPSC, GATE, J Advance, um, CLAT, and chartered accountancy, anything you are preparing for. Just do meditation for 5 seconds, okay? Breathe in and breathe out, okay, for 5 seconds. You have done? Okay, let's start. So if you are preparing for the UPSC examination in prelims, whatever you have, the question is, whatever the question arises there, have come there, you have to keep calm, okay? And for that, there are a lot of questions there, okay? And you have been asked like that, like what do you mean by socialism? You know, how can socialism work in today's, like there are many ways we can remove discrimination from the earth. So what the thought you can come, what the thought can come in your mind that will deny discrimination, that will prevent discrimination thought from others in your mind, okay? So how it will change, you know, how it will change in socialism, in social media, you know, social media, social lifetime, or social environment. You know what I'm trying to say. You just have to keep calm and understand what I'm trying to say. So for that, you have to think like that you are a man with different abilities. You are giving the prelims examination. You have gone to write how to remove discrimination from the society. Like for that, you have to think from inside. You know, you have to become so much matured for that. Like how can be discrimination removed from social environment? You know what I'm trying to say. So for that, you will write like these words. There are a lot of keywords you will use. The way you can write in the examination, I'm telling you how to crack UPSC prelims. You know how to crack UPSC mains. You know, prelims and mains as well, both will helpful, because in if you will use perception there, that question will be simply cracked. You know, there's no need to think like aerospace engineer. You know, you just have to don't think that is not a rocket science, that is easy one in UPSC. I'm telling you, I have done earlier how to write answers in examination. For that, you have to use perception because there's lot of syllabus in the examination. So leave all the things, come, let's come on this point, how to write solution, how to remove discrimination from social environment. So for that, you have to write those things. What do you mean by discrimination? First of all, because you have to make understand others that what is discrimination at all. After that, the types of discrimination exist: color discrimination, caste discrimination, language communication discrimination, face recognition, face discrimination. There are a lot of discrimination I've told you, but if you will go on vast topic, you have to become so much mature for that. If you will add world, you know, if you will add world, if you will think like that, you know, after that, let's come below those things. Types of discrimination, how can discrimination impactful in social life? You know, how can it be helpful in social life? And disadvantages and advantages of discrimination, the relation between discrimination and other type of discrimination, what may come and how to prevent that. This will become your topper. Remind it again and again. How to remove discrimination, how to remove discrimination, the future of discrimination, how to overcome the outcome of that discrimination, advantages, disadvantages, and more you can write on that specific things. How to take a colorful pen, take a colorful pen and means underline those keywords which you have used through perception. You have to read newspapers regularly. You know, After that you will able to do those things in examination, because everything is being given in newspaper. Try to read the Hindu newspaper regular basis. Try to cover all keywords. That's all. Thank you.